Okay, this is a punch set that I bought. That's the name right there. And I would back these punches. They're awesome. They're perfect. They're great. Even this little punch right here works awesome for removing float pins. I mean, and it's tough. I haven't bent this thing or nothing, and I've whacked it. Now, a little trick of mine is you find a large dowel like this, and then a small dowel like this, and you cut it, drill a hole, and make yourself a little wooden hammer. This is awesome for even just tapping the side of a float bowl that might be sticking, or stuff that you have to be delicate with, especially float pins, you know. And I always soak them with some penetrating oil, the float pin, this right here, when I install them or remove them. It'll get some bolts that are super stuck. It's an awesome penetrating lube. No, I'm not getting paid by this company. I wish I was, but I always keep a bottle of that on hand. Someone might even have a better one than that. Please let me know, because I love that one. This is actually a gun lube, but it works amazing as a penetrating oil. It just gets in there. Okay, and back to my hammer. It looks ghetto, but it works very, very, very well. All right, out.